Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study sound of S as voiceless and voice sound. It means that S gives you voice sound and unvoiced sound. Unvoiced sound is S. Voice sound is Z. Okay. First we will observe the words with unvoiced sound or S sound. Okay. Sit, sand, socks, soap, sun, seal, sad, sink, soap, sing, suitcase, sick, saw, salt, soda, sew. Now observe the both sound, voiced S and unvoiced S. Voiced S is that give you sound letter S gives you Z sound. For example, bugs, rose, cheese, crabs, gloves. Unvoiced S sound, sad, bus, sit, hats, salad. Now look at this chart here. Sound unvoiced sound of S we will observe and voice sound of S. You will guess where is voiced and where is unvoiced sound. First we will observe. Yes, unvoiced sound. Sun, 6, sea, 7, sand, socks, sandwich, soap. Now sound of S, single S and sound of double S, but unvoiced sound. Yes, us, bus, thermos, dress, boss, moss, cross. Again, unvoiced sound of S, caps, books, roofs, maths, eats, likes, walks, wants. And voice sound of S, dogs. Observe the sound, Z sound. Dogs, boys, keys, plays, berries, stories, reads, lives or lives. Both give you the sound, or we can say voice sound. Now we will observe unvoiced sound of S in the beginning, in the middle and at the end. Sad in the beginning, sad, scent, save, see, sit, soap, sock, sun, sap. In the middle, basic, castle, messy, listen, faster, classic, crossing, passing, blossom. At the end, bus, gas, kiss, pass, less, this, us, boss, and chess. Now sound of S. Sound of S as unvoiced and voice sound. We will observe in which column it is a voice sound and in which column it is unvoiced sound. Sound of S as S is unvoiced sound. Look at the first column. S sound. Caps, cats, hats, bats, mats, cups, maps, tops, gaps, books, ducks, books, sticks, clocks, snacks, tats, cliffs. Now voice sound of S. S is pronounced as Z sound, Z sound. Okay, dogs, pigs, cows, bees, pants, bats, cars, bags, runs, plays, laughs, calls, says, goes, sings, swims. Now voice sound of S in the third column. The sound we will observe nose, rose, cause, disease. Chose, vice, those, these, is, was, has, his, music, present, business, and face. Now, what did we observe or what did we study there? That voice sound of S as a Z. Now look at the Z sound. How it is pronounced? We will pronounce the S sound in the same manner. Okay, same sound will be given here. First we will observe the sound word, then we will observe S sound that gives the sound or voice sound. Okay, maze, blaze, haze, graze, froze, doze, craze, capsize, gaze, gazed, phase, amaze. Now look at the sa sound that give you the sound word in the same manner. These, chose, dose, fuse, rose, nose, pose, those, use, music, confuse, expose. Next we will study the next topic of phonics. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.